This is the song Muddugare Yashodha, one of the very popular Telugu Kirtanas of Sri Annamacharya about Lord Krishna. The poet compares the characteristics of little Krishna to the precious gems like diamond, ruby, pearl, etc. In this dance composition, a young devotee of the Lord talks about Sri Krishna, depicting his beauty, charm, valor, mischief, and how he is loved by one and all. Krishna, the biological son of Devaki, whose power or greatness cannot be altered, is considered as the pearl in the courtyard of Yashoda's house where he grows up. The one who mesmerizes all living beings with his flute is shown as the precious ruby in the palms of the Gopikas or the shepherd women. The mighty one who kills the demon king Kansa is compared to yet another precious stone, the diamond. He, who is none other than Lord Vishnu in his avatars, is the emerald of the splendid lustrous three worlds. Muddugare Yashoda, set to Kurinji Ragam, Aditalam.
పుష్యరాగము ఏలేటి శ్రీ